Hello students, myself Neetu Singh, Assistant Professor of Indraprastha Law College. So let's start today's lecture. I'm giving you an overview about intellectual property rights. So let's start. So when we are talking about intellectual property right, then first thing is कि what is intellectual property rights? Intellectual property rights are the rights given to person over the creation of their minds. Clear? They usually give the creator an exclusive right over the use of his or her creation for a certain period of time. That certain period of time, वो जो पीरियड ऑफ टाइम है वो आपका पर्टिकुलर आईपीआर के अकॉर्डिंग अलग अलग होगा, वो हम अभी डिस्कस करेंगे आगे. सो द इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी rights are the rights given to person over the creation of their minds. So when we are talking about the property is always divided into two parts. These are tangible and intangible. Then what is tangible and what is intangible? Tangible assets are physical. They include cash, inventory, vehicles, equipment, buildings, and investment, you can say. So what are the intangible things, or what are the intangible assets? You can also say that tangible things are movable things. Tangible things are again divided into two parts. These are movable and immovable. So when we are talking about the movable things, these are car and all, you can say anything. And immovable things की बात करेंगे तो these are buildings and all. Okay, so property is divided into two parts, tangible and intangible. What is tangible? Tangible assets are physical. Okay, and intangible assets do not exist in physical form and include things like prepaid expenses, patents, goodwill, and so on. Okay, so property is divided into two parts, tangible, intangible. Again, tangible property is divided into two parts. These are movable and immovable. And intangible property is called intellectual property. उस intellectual property में क्या क्या आएगा? These are industrial property related things, copyright related things, patents, designs, trademarks, and geographical identifications. So when we are talking about, then what are the kinds of the intellectual property rights? You can say these are trademark, industrial design, patents, copyright, and geographical identifications. What are the benefits of intellectual property rights? These are exclusive right given to person over the creation of their mind for certain period of time, and it also gives legal right. Negative rights, as in it prevents other to use his or her creation for a definite time. So the intellectual property rights were essentially recognized and accepted all over the world due to some very important reasons. What are the reasons? These reasons are to provide an incentive to individual for new creations, to accord due recognition to the creators and inventors, and to ensure material reward for intellectual property, and to make available genuine and original products. So these are the important reasons. Okay. So as I said earlier, various kinds of IPRs. These are patents. Then what is patents? Patents में क्या चीजें आती हैं? These are invention, product, materials, compositions, processes. ये सारा patent है. Technical solution to a technical problem. This is also including patent right. When we are talking about industrial design, what are the industrial design? External features appealing to the eye, new shape, pattern, or configuration. So next one is trademark. What is trademark? A visual symbol such as a word, name, logo, slogan, etc. and applied on article of manufacture or service, and indicates the origin of goods and service. The thing, the sign, the symbol, the name, the logo which indicates the origin of good and services, this is also a trademark. So kinds में जब भी आप आएंगे तो पेटेंट, इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन, ट्रेडमार्क. नेक्स्ट वन इज कॉपीराइट्स. सो कॉपीराइट में क्या चीजें इंक्लूड है? आर्टिस्टिक एंड लिटरेरी वर्क, artistic, literary, musical and dramatic creations are included in copyrights. Proprietary rights also comes into existence as soon as the work is created. ठीक है? Artistic, literary, musical and dramatic creations, these are, इस पे copyright applicable है. So when we are talking about the geographical identifications, these are identifies agricultural, natural or manufactured goods originating from a finite territory in India. एक fixed territory में उसकी एग्रीकल्चर नेचुरली या मैन्युफैक्चर हो रही है कोई चीज एक फिक्स टेरिटरी में, तो वो उसे हम उसका ज्योग्राफिकल आइडेंटिफिकेशन देते हैं. And possessing special quality or reputation based upon unique characteristic of the geographical location, वो उसके लिए geographical identification दिया जाता है as a intellectual. So these are the various kinds of IPRs, and these are patents, industrial designs, trademarks, copyrights and geographical identification. So earlier we were discussing about the validity of IPR, different types of IPRs and its validities. So when we are talking about the patent right, the maximum protection is about 20 years only. And secondly, when we are talking about trademarks, iska jo maximum protection hai, that is lifelong. And when we are talking about industrial design, it's 15 years, copyright 60 years, and geographical identifications lifelong validity. So relation between IPRs, the logo, when we are talking about the logo is an example of trademark. कोको कोला का जो लोगो है उसे हम एक ट्रेडमार्क के एग्जाम्पल की तरह देख सकते हैं. सो शेप ऑफ, अगर मैं यहाँ पर एक कोको कोला की बॉटल ले रही हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे आपको बता रही हूँ कि इसका ट्रेडमार्क क्या है, इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन क्या है, पेटेंट क्या है, कॉपीराइट कैसे कनेक्ट करेंगे. सो द लोगो ऑफ कोको कोला इज एन एग्जाम्पल फॉर ट्रेडमार्क, एंड शेप ऑफ द बॉटल इज एन industrial design. Okay, and patent may have been obtained in respect of bottling equipment, and copyright, when we are talking about copyright, in respect of the text, database or artistic work appearing on its website, as in a single product can be protected by more than one IPR. एक प्रोडक्ट की बात कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पर आपको ट्रेडमार्क का भी प्रोटेक्शन है, इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन भी इंक्लूडेड है, पेटेंट भी इंक्लूडेड है, कॉपीराइट भी इंक्लूडेड है. अब अगर यहाँ पे इस पर्टिकुलर रेसिपी में, इसकी जो रेसिपी है उसमें अगर हम कोई पर्टिकुलर जियोग्राफिकल एरिया का कोई प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहे होते तो इसमें जियोग्राफिकल आइडेंटिफिकेशन भी इंक्लूड होता. सो दीज आर द रिलेशंस बिटवीन IPR. सारे IPRs आपस में को रिलेटेड है, चाहे वो ट्रेडमार्क है, इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन, पेटेंट एंड कॉपीराइट, एवरीथिंग. Here are some example जो मैंने अभी आपको conclude किया. These are the example of basically what is patent, what is trademark, and Apple logo is a trademark, and the shape of the bottle is industrial design, and the logo is the trademark, and the recipe of the trade secret, and geographical identification when we are talking about the area specific things. So you can say these Kolhapuri chappals are reflecting their geographical identification. एंड जियोग्राफिकल आइडेंटिफिकेशन का और भी एग्जाम्पल हम ले सकते हैं. दीज आर बीकानेरी भुजियाज, बनारसी साड़ियाँ, तिरुपति लड्डूज, इन ऑल so on. So when we are talking about the patent, what is exactly patent? It is the exclusive right of inventor to prevent others from possessing, using, selling, manufacturing, and importing the patented invention or offering to do any of these within a definite geographical area. Patent have territorial jurisdiction. We have to register the patents in all countries where we have our interest. Okay, patent applications can be filed online in India by inventor और his assignee. एक वेबसाइट है, वहां पर आप जा करके ऑनलाइन फाइल कर सकते हैं. पेटेंट्स इज एन एक्सक्लूसिव मोनोपोली राइट. हाउ, कैसे? Because it is granted by Government of India for an invention to the inventor or his assignee as a territorial right in lieu of disclosure of invention to the government. Term of patent is डिस्कस किया हमने लास्ट में, that is 20 years from the date of the filing. 20 years from the date of the filing. It is 20 years of the date of the filing. So Patent Act and rule. Patent Act कौन सा है? In India, patent rights are governed by the Patent Act 1970. At present, third amendment of Act known as the Patent Amendment Act 2005 is in force. 1970 का Patent Act है जिसका कि third amendment is the most important amendment. So 2005 से Patent Amendment Act 2005 in force में है अभी हमारे पास. For application of Patent Act, rules are made by the government which are known as Patent Rules 2003. As of now, Patent Amendment Rule 2006 and further updated in September 2015 are in force. Okay, for better understanding of Act and rules, Draft Manual of Patent Practice and Procedures 2008 is made by the Patent Office. There are 4 patent office in India having work distribution according to their geographical location. कौन से हैं? कहाँ पर है? These are in Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai. Patent Act and rules. What is the criteria of patentability? Criteria क्या है पेटेंट इशू कराने के लिए? नॉवेल्टी, इन्वेंटिव स्टेप, और इट मस्ट बी नॉन ऑब्वियस, कैपेबल ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल एप्लीकेशन, नॉट फॉल विद इन द प्रोविजन ऑफ सेक्शन 3 and 4 of the Patent Act 1970. What are the section 3 and section 4? So the section 3 of Patent Act 1970, section 3 list which are not inventions. जो इन्वेंशन नहीं मानी जाएंगी वो चीजें लिखी हुई हैं कहां पर? सेक्शन 3 ऑफ पेटेंट एक्ट 1970 में. ऑब्वियसली इफ दीज आर नॉट इन्वेंशन वी कैन क्लेम पेटेंट. ओके, सो वो कौन से चीजें होंगी? नेचुरल लॉज, समथिंग विच इज इंजरियस टू पब्लिक हेल्थ, मेयर अरेंजमेंट और रीअरेंजमेंट, discovery of scientific principles, discovery of living thing or non-living substances in nature, method of agriculture or horticulture obviously, and a mathematical or business method or a computer program. So section 3 is talking about list which are not inventions and there are some things जिन्हें हम invention नहीं मानेंगे at any cost. And what is section 4? Section 4 is not patentable thing बोली गई है. This is atomic energy related. कोई भी चीज है that is not patentable in section 4. Industrial design. What are the industrial design? Ornamental or aesthetic aspect of a useful article of industry, aspect that gives a special appearance, aspect which differentiates from current products. Only the aesthetic visual form of a product, not the technical nor distinguishing features. The ornamental or aesthetic aspects of an article consist of 3-dimensional features such as the shape, surface or texture of an article, or 2-dimensional features such as pattern, lines or colors. Design makes the product attractive and appealing to the consumers and adds to its commercial value for that reason. So these are the some example of trademarks. You can see these are some examples for trademarks, and this arrow is Nike, BBC, American Express, Adidas, Yahoo, BMW, Burger King, so on. Copyright. Copyright is what? Copyright is a legal term describing rights given to creators for their literary and artistic works. The work covered by copyright include. Copyright में include क्या क्या हो रहा है? Copyright में अगर हम inclusion की बात करें, literary works such as novels, poems, plays, reference works, newspaper, and articles, computer programs and databases, films, musical composition, dance and theatrical productions, artistic works such as paintings, drawings, photographs and sculptures, architecture, advertisements, maps, technical drawings and manuals. Copyright comes into existence as soon as the work is created and protects skill and labor employed by the creator in production of his work. So copyright में include क्या हो रहा है? आपका लिटरेरी वर्क जैसे नॉवेल, पोयम, प्लेज, रेफरेंस वर्क, न्यूज़पेपर, आर्टिकल्स, कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम्स एंड डेटाबेस, फिल्म्स, म्यूजिकल कंपोजिशन, डांस, theoretical productions, artistic works, paintings, drawing, photographs, sculptures, and so on. It's a bunch of things. आप एक बार क्लियर करो कि क्या चीज़ें इसमें इंक्लूड हो रही हैं, देन आपको कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. यू नीड टू मेक अ बाउंड्री, अ क्राइटेरिया, किसमें कौन सा फॉल ऑफ हो रहा है वो आपको एक बार से अगर आप ध्यान से देख लोगे तो सारी चीज़ें आपने क्लियर हो जाएंगी. सो जियोग्राफिकल आइडेंटिफिकेशन. Basically, geographical identify agricultural, natural or manufactured goods associated with a territory, region and locality. And geographical identification gives protection to the group of people or associations involved in the production of the product using traditional skills and knowledge. And it consists of the name of the place of origin and originates from a definite geographical टेरिटरी. जैसे एग्जाम्पल दार्जिलिंग टी, कांचीपुरम साड़ी, कोल्हापुरी चप्पल्स, तिरुपति लड्डू, नागपुर ऑरेंज एंड बनारसी साड़ियाँ, रतलामी सेव एंड सो ऑन. Here are some examples of Indian geographical identification. These are basmati rice, Darjeeling tea, Alfonso mango, Nagpur orange, Kolhapuri chappal, Agra petha, exactly Agra petha. So these are the basic things about intellectual property rights. What is intellectual property rights exactly, and what are the kinds of intellectual property rights? Now you can understand. Basically there are 5 types of intellectual property rights. So that's enough for today's lecture. We'll continue in our next lecture with a new topic. Thank you so much.